Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video for you guys all about how to save money on makeup. So if you're like me and you love makeup, you probably have a lot of it, but you can't help from buying more. Especially when all these brands are releasing new cool products, like I can't help myself. You also know it can get pretty expensive pretty fast. I think I saw this meme on Facebook where it's like what guys think $100 worth of makeup is like. It's literally like a box of products versus what it actually is, and it's like 4 lipstick, and I just thought that was hilarious. So I actually went through already and wrote down all of my favorite tips right here in my notebook so I wouldn't forget any of them as I was talking through them. So if you want to hear my all-time favorite tips on how to save money on makeup, keep on watching. Okay, so the first tip I have is to shop at different retailers and shop their sales. Normally when we think of beauty retailers, we think of Sephora and Ulta, but that is not just the case. So there's also Macy's, Nordstrom, Target, and other drugstores, and probably more retailers that I'm forgetting, but those are just a few of the major ones for me. So specifically with Ulta, I know they do a 20% off coupon from time to time, and sometimes it includes just drugstore, but also it includes prestige, which is a good deal if you're looking to buy like that prestige item, because prestige beauty really rarely ever goes on sale. So keep your eyes out for that, definitely. They also do the $3.50 off $15 purchase, which just applies to like drugstore, not prestige. I think that's Evergreen, runs probably almost all the time. And also the 21 Days of Beauty, which they promote different products for every single day for 21 days. It's a really good deal, so it's a good time to buy on, stock up on your favorites or try new items, as well as a promotion. So Ulta sends out this catalog that you can receive in the mail and look at the promotions they're running for a certain period of time, as well as the app. App is very handy if you're, shopping in store, if you're shopping online. I use it all the time. In fact, I've purchased a few things from the app, so I like that. It's really a good way to keep track of deals without being physically in the store or even like pulling it up on your laptop. So moving to Sephora. So Sephora, not as many sales as Ulta, admittedly, but they do have the Beauty Insider sales, so you can get 10 to 20% off depending on your level with their loyalty program. So 10% is for the Insider, 15% for VIB, which is like their middle tier, and then Rouge gets 20%, which is their top tier. And you're in different tiers depending on how much you spend per calendar year. Alright, so Macy's, I don't shop at Macy's a lot for beauty, admittedly, but of the times I have shopped at Macy's, they often offer 10 to 20% off from time to time of their products, and sometimes they offer free shipping, so it is a good deal if you're looking out and watching for Macy's. And then I have Nordstrom. So Nordstrom has their semi-annual sale, which is an excellent time to buy value kits, which I will touch on a bit more in a later point. And then Target, so Target runs quite a few promotions. Usually it's buy X amount, get a $5, $10, $15 gift card. There's also however much percent off certain categories from time to time, like nail polish, skincare, etc. There's also buy more, save more, like you buy 2, you get 1 free, and promotions like that. There's also Cartwheel, which is kind of a rewards program where you scan the barcode and they'll pull up like coupons to your phone, and then you scan it at the register and it'll take it off. And lastly, the drugstores, so like Walgreens, CVS, they often run percentages off their cosmetic items. But what I've noticed from the drugstore is often the items are a bit more expensive than, say, Target or Walmart, so be cautious about that. So my next point number 2, is to leverage the rewards program. So my favorite rewards program is Ulta, hands down, because you can redeem points for money off your purchase. So the best deal to do this is to stack a 20% off coupon and redeem 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $125 without the 20% off. And from time to time, they also run like 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times on like select purchases, like if you buy this item at this time frame. And sometimes you have to activate that through the app, so you gotta watch out for those, as well as if you're platinum, or I think it's diamond, they run like special offers for you from time to time too that you can catch in like your email or on the app. Next, Sephora is not as good at Ulta in terms of like their loyalty rewards program. Mainly you can redeem points for samples, which it's okay. I haven't redeemed a lot of points. I have like a couple thousand because I'm saving up for one day when there's actually stuff that I want. You can also apply a 10 or 15% off to your purchase now through the app. I think it goes on for a select period of time if you redeem points. points for it. Okay, point number 3 is to buy directly from the brand. So if there's a specific product or products from a brand you want, like, it's often better to bypass the retailer and purchase directly from the brand. And let me tell you, there's often better deals. So especially if you get that email sign up, often they'll send you a code for a percentage off your first purchase, as well as gifts with purchase. So if you place an order, or if you spend this amount, you get like a free bonus gift. The downside to this, not every brand has like a loyalty program. You're not getting points to like Ulta, Sephora if you purchase directly from it. But it's often cheaper if you buy from Sephora, Ulta, or other retailers at any given point during the year, because there is a greater margin if they sell to you directly versus if they sell to the retailer then sell to you. So even though the discount is bigger for them, they're making more money if you buy directly from them. So I guess it's like a win-win situation for us, the customer, and the brand. All right, so my 4th point is to buy value sets, especially during a holiday when there's tons of like value sets with like new products, limited edition products, you name it. So it's a great time to stock up on either your favorites or try new products because they offer it at such a discount for what you're getting all in the one convenient package. So my favorite deal from this actually is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Sprays. I look forward to this every single year. It comes in either a pack of 2 or they have the jumbo bottle, and I usually stock up during this time because it's such a great deal and I'm set for like setting sprays the entire year. All right, my 5th point, and this point is a little tough, I get it, but don't buy new releases immediately. And let me tell you why. So when the brand drops a new product, there's often like a ton of hype around it, as you guys probably have seen. So there's high demand. So these brands can sell this product at full price and people will still buy it. So it's best to often wait a few months later when the hype dies down, because the brands will often like promote their products then to try and move through the inventory. So this applies to like more so permanent items versus like limited edition, because often with like limited edition items, once it sells out, it's out and there's no guarantee that it'll come back. So if there's a permanent item that's coming in that you want, like definitely wait it out if you can. But if you can't, I get it too, because I love getting new makeup, especially like when it's just released. Nothing better than dipping into like the latest and greatest palette. Point number 6 is to buy dupes from affordable or drugstore brands. So this is especially true if you're looking for like a specific color that you know has been duped, but you don't want to pay for the price of like the luxury brand and you're okay with like a different formula. You can find dupes for pretty much anything just by searching like the brand and the name of the product or the shade you want and dupe, and usually there's a ton of like results that come back on Google and images, so you can see like comparison swatches before you go out and buy the item. All right, so my 7th point is to look for coupons, and this applies mostly to drugstore brands. So with a Sunday shopper, great place to look for coupons. I don't know if you guys still get it, but I get it every week, and I flip through and there's often like sections on new products in the beauty category, and I'll often click the coupons, and you can actually stack these coupons with current offers at like retailers. So say if there's a mascara for like 15% off at Target and I got the coupon for it, because the coupon is a manufacturer's coupon, I can stack it with the 15% off at Target and save a little extra coin there. Okay, now point number 8 is to sign up for subscription boxes. So there are really 2 types of subscription boxes, either full size or sample, depending on what you want, how much you can pay for. So the beauty about subscription boxes is they give you a lot of products that are worth a high value at a low price. So I think BoxyCharm is like over $100 for like $25 for their entry-level box. So it's a good option to either grow your collection or try new products. The downside to this is that you might not get every single product you want every single month. So if you're okay with like getting a few products that you won't use, that you give away, that you won't like this is a good option. And 2 pretty good subscription boxes I think in the space are BoxyCharm and Ipsy. BoxyCharm is exclusively full-size products, whereas Ipsy I think offers sample size and also full size at different price points. And my last point is to shop around on peer-to-peer e-commerce sites. So I'm talking sites like Poshmark and Mercari, because you can often find people that are looking to destash their collections. They bought too much, need some cash quick, and so they'll post like their makeup, often brand new in box products, for sale on these sites that you could pick up for a discounted price. Even deeper discount than purchasing from a retailer or the brand directly. But you have to be extremely cautious of this because of counterfeits. So not every product that goes on these sites is authentic. and you have to go in knowing that there's an inherent risk to that. But what I like to do is before I purchase anything, I like to check the other listings that the seller has, and usually I check and see if they have multiples of the same items. If they have multiples of the same items, usually that's a red flag for me because I think it's counterfeit. And I also check what other kind of items they're selling. Like if they have a bunch of other different like makeup products, I'm thinking, okay, like this is from a personal collection or like a subscription box, it's fine. But if the same item is there like multiple times, red flag. You can also look at ratings from other buyers to see their experience with the seller and then decide if you want to go through buying the item you want from that seller. But you also can't guarantee the quality or the cleanliness of the product just because it has been in somebody else's possession. So you don't know if they opened it or looked at it or used it. Although often the sellers are very good at disclosing whether it's brand new in box, opened it to take pictures of it, it's swatched. So it's a good way to find a lot of products for even cheaper than you would in retailers, but definitely like err on the side of caution when using it. I use it primarily to find products from subscription boxes that I have wanted like previous months but haven't been able to get. Alright, that is it for this video all about my money saving tips when it comes to buying makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys have any other money saving tips and tricks that I did not mention in this video, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And thanks again so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for post notifications. If you're new here, nice to meet you. My name is Valentina and I upload 2 to 3 times a week. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.